All right, let's have a check. So for this video, it is basically about how we done with the peanut. From the peanut fruits, get into the peanut oils, include about the pre-treatment, include about the press, include about the filter. So basically that is all about the peanut oils, how we obtain about the peanut oils. And if you do have any questions about this pressed way, you can easily leave something in the comment. Our assistant can definitely show you more. Right now we are showing you about the pressed oil, which is the, yeah, we can just have a check. So first we have to remove about the impurities inside of the crude oils. First equipment we have, it is about vibrate cleaning sieve. It is keep vibrating to remove about the heavy impurities. It is mixed in with the oil seeds. As we all know right now, we obtain the oil seeds in the machine way, mechanical way. So there always have something like impurity, for example, like heavy stones or some other impurities. So first we need to get rid of the impurities to make sure that our oil seeds, it is totally clean, so that we can obtain the final high quality crude oils. And then this is a destoner to remove about the impurities again, to make sure the final oil quality it is relatively high. And if you'd like to know more information about those kind of equipment, just easily type something in the comment to let us know. And next it is our crusher. Thank you so much, Wendy Wang. And if you haven't followed about this live, you can just touch the button that is located at the upper right place to give me the subscribe. Next time when we do live stream, you'll be noticed. And then it is our soften pot to make all the oil seeds before it is pressed. It is in the best situation. And next thing, yeah, you guys can check here. From one equipment to another equipment, what we use here is about like the bucket elevator to do the transportation. So it is not very important one, but it is the most basic one to make this whole pressing line more smoothly. And then this is our flaking roll. And if you do have any questions, directly put your question in the comment. Let me know what you want to know for our equipment, or do you have anything want to ask here. Our company has done the oil and fat business in 12 years. We do accumulate so many experiences here, and we do have the best oil and fat engineers in China. So if you'd like to know more information, we can give you a customized design according to your needs. And next, it is our cooker. Before we pressed the peanut oil, peanut seeds, we do have one this cooker set here to control the water content, control the humidity, control about its temperature, to make it more in the best situation before we press about the oil seeds. And next, it is our another cooker here. Yeah, because during that part, you can welcome SYD, welcome to the live. This is Oliver from Henan doing company. Right now we are currently checking about the peanut oil pressing line, and if you're interested, stay here. And if you'd like to know more details, let me send you our card or our catalog, so you can simply have a check here. And this is our another cooker here. Welcome Morocco, welcome to the live. And after this cooker, we do have the press machine here. So according to different oil seeds, we do have different type of the oil presser. For example, we do have like the palm oil presser, palm kernel oil presser, and ordinary presser. And there are so many like previous clients curious about the question, can I use about the peanut oil presser to press about other oil seeds? It is totally depends on the oil seeds, because as we all know, some oil seeds it is really rough, and some of it is really soft. For example, like the peanut oil seeds, it is relatively soft. So you can press about some like similar oil seeds, but if you want to use this equipment to press like the palm kernel, to obtain the palm kernel oils, that is totally cannot to make it, because the palm kernels it is really rough. It will easily cause the problems of the plug, and it will kind of damage about the equipment. So yeah, better not. And after this oil presser, yeah, check about it. If you'd like to know more information for this oil presser, easily leave something in the comment. Let me know that you're interested. Our assistant can definitely show you more about it. Welcome Annalie, welcome to the live. How are you doing? And currently we are checking about the peanut oil pressing line. If you're interested, easily leave something in the comment. All right. Welcome Amina. Hi, how are you? Welcome to the live. And let's keep checking about this video here. And after this press machine, we do have already obtained the crude oil. So for the next step is about to filter out of the impurities. So right now we have the oil residue scraper here. Oil residue scraper, as you guys can see, there are two layers, the top layers and the bottom layers. The top layers, you can check at the bottom for the top layer, there are a lot of little holes. So all the oils will automatically drop at the second layers, and the residue oil residue will stay in this layer and transport it to another place to collect it and to deal with the oil residue again. So let's check about the high quality of the oils. Yeah, check about it. And we have this temperature storage box here, or we can call it like a clarifying oil tank here to temporary storage for the oils. And then we do have one of the leaf filter to filter out of the very tiny impurities or the water content to make the crude oils get into the better quality oils here.